Hi, I'm Steve. I'm one of Vogue's technical support team. Today we're going to demonstrate how to use the Vogue Duo control. Now, let's get started. Let's turn on the water heater to electric low by pressing the top symbol. Then on to electric high. And then we'll choose a gas setting by pushing the button again. We can also run the heater on gas and electric low, and then on to gas and electric high. When the water heater is running on gas, on the left hand side of the symbol you will see a green gas flame. That indicates that the heater is lit. When using the space heater, we need to turn the thermostat up and down to a comfortable temperature level within the vehicle. So we do this by adjusting the plus key for up and then by adjusting the minus key for down. Now let's set up the space heater by pressing the van button to electric low, then on to electric medium, and then we can adjust to electric high. Now we can choose gas only, or gas and electric if applicable. If the space or water heater locks out for any fault condition, it will be indicated by a red exclamation mark. This will be to the left of the heating and to the left of the water heater symbol. To find the type of lockout we have, we press and hold the heating button with the exclamation mark beside it. This will give an indication of markers. In this case, it's 3. By checking our fault code guide, we can see that fault code 3 is a voltage issue in the vehicle. We can then proceed to clear the lockout by pressing and holding the heating button and the plus key at the same time. This will clear the lockout. For additional information and user tips, go to the resource library on the Vogue website and access heating control guides. Thank you for watching this technical help video. For more information, please visit our Vogue website or Vogue YouTube channel.